Okay, so using loops by themselves is just really powerful by themselves. But a way that unlocks a lot of power in a loop and allows us to do many things in one loop is using loops, a for loop with if statements, so condition statements. Okay, so loops and conditions. So here we go for item in list, looking at the syntax. As we've talked about, we start the for loop with an indentation, and as well as we've learned in the last class, the if also starts with an indentation. Okay, to let us know what's in the block. So all of this is in the for block of code. Just this little section is in the if block of code. Okay, so and really important that we have these two colons at the end. We have these two colons, we'll start the next line on an indentation, but we need to have either 2 or 4 spaces, but we need to maintain a consistent indentation. Okay, so we're going to go for item in list. If item is something, we'll do this. Else, if something else happens, we'll do that. Okay. So this allows for a lot of flexibility. If you can think just iterating through your column titles, and I'm going to do calculations. Let's see, I'm going to get the mean. Well, you can't get the mean on a gender column, men and women. How do you get the mean of man and woman? Man, woman? It doesn't really work. So you would not want to get the average for columns that would include objects or categories. So this would allow us to go through our whole data frame all in one block of code, get the averages for all the numeric columns. If it's a numeric column, we'll get the average. Else, well, then we won't get the average. Maybe we can get the mode, the most common occurring category for that one as well. Okay. Thank you for joining.